pancakes. First, we need to pour the flour in there. Then we need to do the eggs. Okay. It's wrong. Now let's pour this baking soda in there. Okay, now let's pour this in there. Now, let's pour this in there. Okay, we're going to pour the sugar in now. Now let's pour the salt in. Okay, guys, now we're gonna whisk this together. It's looking good so far.
You want to add some chocolate chips?
Yeah, let's add some chocolate chips.
And some bloobs?
Yeah.
Put that in there, bowl.
Don't almost slide it in. Okay. Now we're pouring some delicious chocolate chips. I think that's way too much. Now we got some blueberries. And let's pour the blueberries in. There's a stem on that one. I might take that off. Pour that stem in there. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, we put the stuff in there, and now, okay, we're gonna pour like the stuff for like the pancakes to like cook. So let's do that real quick. One pancake. Another pancake. Another pancake. Okay, okay guys, now we're gonna flip the pancakes. Okay, let's see if this one's ready. It is. Now, see if this one is. Yep. Let's wait. Now, they're flipped one. Okay, now we're going to put this on the plate. Okay, now we got our pancakes made. Okay, let's try the pancakes. Good. Bye.